In this video, I want to take a look at how to create a lollipop chart in Tableau. I'm using Tableau version 2020.1 and I'm connected to the sample Superstore dataset. The first step in order to build a lollipop chart is to choose a dimension. I'm going to grab my subcategory and put that on rows. I then want to create a bar chart by moving my sales to columns. This will create the first step of the lollipop. I need to drag another measure, so in this case the same measure, the sum of sales, to columns, and we have two. Because what we're going to do with the lollipop is we're going to overlap one of the bars with the other bar, but then this sum of sales is going to be a circle. So let's set that up. The second one, we want to turn in the marks card from automatic to a circle. So these become circles. And then the second one, we want to make sure, the first one, we want to make sure that this is a bar. And now we can overlay them. And we can do that in Tableau by using the dual axis. If I use the drop down on the second sum of sales, I'm going to say dual axis. This will overlay them. You can see there's a little circle at the end of each bar. We need to make sure that we synchronize our axes in case something changes. So by synchronizing, these will always be on the same axes. And now we need to do some formatting. In order to make our lollipop stand out, we need to make the circles bigger. So we click on the circles, increase the size. So we can see that the actual circle, this is the one for the bar. So let's make that one smaller. There we go. Let's hide the headers and let's make this the entire view. Now, when you do the entire view, you need to go back to the bar and make that one a lot smaller and the circles a lot bigger. There we go. The last step would then be to sort the bars and the lollipops. What you could do is you could add the sum of sales to text, so it adds a label to the circle. So I'm going to drag sales to label. And now if you make this a lot bigger, get big circles, then you can go to label, alignment, and then you can center this. So if you then center it, the label for each of them will be in there. Now if you want to make the actual bar a little bit not smaller, but a different color, you change the color to like a light gray. And there you go. You have your lollipop in Tableau.